Good day. My name is Comrade David Gyaube, the head teacher in Nigeria Korea Model School. I'm here at this moment to present a paper on goals, vision, and development plan for model school education. Before I go on, I would like to say what goal is. Goals are ideas of the future or desired results that a person or group of people envision, plan, and commit to achieve. They are usually broad, general expressions of the guiding principles and aspiration of an organization. There are three types of goals. We have lifetime goals, we have short-term goals, and we have long-term goals. For you to have your goals, the goals have to be smart. Smart in the sense that S stands for specific. The goals should be specific. M, the goals should be measurable. A, they should be attainable. R, they should be realistic. And T, they should be timely. That is why I say goals must be smart. For us to talk of goals of a model school, we have to look at the goals of education in Nigeria. There are goals of education in Nigeria as contained in the National Policy on Education. There are so many of them, but I want to mention a few. We have development of an individual into a morally sound, patriotic, and effective citizen. We have total integration of individuals into the immediate community, the Nigerian society, and the world over. 3, we have provision of equal access to qualitative educational opportunities for all citizens at all levels of education within and outside the formal school system. The goals for basic education in Nigeria. So one of the goals of basic education in Nigeria is to provide the child with diverse basic knowledge and skills for entrepreneurship, wealth generation, and educational advancement. Another goal is to develop patriotic young people equipped to contribute to social development in the performance of their civic responsibilities. Next is to inculcate values and raise morally upright individuals capable of independent thinking and who appreciate the dignity of labor. To inspire national consciousness and harmonious coexistence irrespective of differences in endeavor, religion, color, ethnic, and socio-economic background. Having said this, I now want to go to the goals and vision of education in NKMS, that is Nigeria Korea Model School. We say NKMS is established to bring about a paradigm in Nigerian education system. It is poised to implement the national policy on education. The vision of NKMS is contained in the school operation manual. Some is to serve as a model for learners' whole development, both in academics, character, skills, and innovative excellence. The educational vision for the pupils is learners who can develop themselves with creative ideas, understand multicultural values, career building, and good governance. The vision for school learner is in line with the FCT vision for education. By this, the school intends to achieve the following. NKMS has designed a comprehensive development plan based on the principle of SWOT analysis. There are 4 basic main tasks for education development plan. The first one is plan-based education operation. The second one is curriculum-based teaching and learning. The third one is learner-central education operation. And the fourth is multimedia-based education operation. Each of these tasks has a clearly outlined purpose and operational strategy span into a period of 5 years. Steps for operational strategies with activities at each step are: 1. We have planning and development. 2. We have improvement. 3. We have application. And 4. Settlement. The 5th one is diffusion. This is so. For you to achieve success, you have to plan and develop yourself. When you do the planning, you assess the planning after a year to see the improvement from the plan you have put forward. When you see the improvement in the plan, you can now apply it. When you apply it and you see the success in it, you can now have a settled plan. When you have a settled plan, you now diffuse it into the activities that can be sent to other people to see the success of it. After the expiration of 5 years, there are expected outcomes for each main task, upon which the school will consider a review of its plan for better outcome. Strategies for education in NKMS. There is activity summary, characteristics, and sub-areas of the main task. We have planning by every teacher. Every teacher in the school has to plan what he intends to achieve. The second one is preparation and implementation of education quality management. Every teacher must prepare. It could be preparing your lesson plan. It could be preparing your instructional materials. Whatever that can aid you in the teaching in the school is a preparation. And if you don't do it, you can't achieve. We have preparation and implementation of action plan. Every teacher in NKMS has to prepare an action plan of what he wants to achieve at the end of the day. So with this planning, it has helped in developing in the teachers their capacity. 2, there are objectives for each main task. Every task that is put forward has its own objectives. And the objectives of the task must be achieved through proper planning and execution. The third one, there is also a 5-year action plan. You know, when I was talking today, I said we have lifetime action plan. We have short-term plan and we have long-term plan. Short-term can be between a period of 1 to 6 months or 1 year. Long-term can be a period of 1 to 3 or 5 years. And lifetime can be for your life. Having said this, I want to say the world has gone technologically driven, and a lot of innovations in the teaching and learning process. The goals, vision, and teaching plan in NKMS is geared towards a holistic development of the child in skills, academics, character, and to be globally relevant in everything you are doing. Thank you all.